You can be more consistent if you stop focusing on the result. One of my videos blew up and reached 2,000 views over 7 months ago. That video was a huge moment for me because I was so proud and so happy from it. I told basically everyone that, oh, look at my video, I reached 2,000 views. And you have to keep in mind at that time, all of my videos used to reach 5 to 10 views, maybe none at all actually. So those 2,000 views was a really big moment for me, and it felt like being a YouTuber wasn't far-fetched. It felt like it was a real attainable goal. So I want you to guess what I did after that. After I got 2,000 views, I decided to take a break for one day. I was like, okay, I've been uploading daily. I just reached 2,000 views. Let me take a break. That break went from one day to 1 week of not uploading. And then my friend was like, why did you stop uploading? So I told him I was just taking a small break. And then he's like, no, you should continue uploading. So that's what I did. I continued uploading, but guess what? I didn't reach the same level of success. None of my videos after that point, I upload, I think like 5 to 10 videos, and none of them reached even 100 views. So I was a bit dissatisfied. I went from 2K views to like not even 100. Not even 50 actually. So I stopped uploading at all. I stopped uploading completely. I went from uploading daily to not uploading for an entire week, and then uploading 5 to 10 videos over the course of 3 weeks. And I just stopped uploading after that because I was like, I wasn't really feeling it. I wasn't feeling that I was getting success. I wasn't really feeling the results. And that all stemmed from me checking my results. If I had not checked my YouTube analytics, I probably would have reached 2,000, 10,000, 20,000 views. And the beauty is that I wouldn't know about it. So my only focus would be to improve my videos every single time I upload. My focus was supposed to be only improving my videos and uploading over 100 times. That was my goal at the time. And because I was so focused on the results, I ended up losing sight of my goal and changing my goal completely. I went from just uploading 100 videos and making sure like they're the best thing, or like each video is at least a bit better than the last one, to not uploading at all. I want you to imagine how much more success I would have had now. How much, like that 2,000 views back then would probably not be comparable to the amount of views I got per video now. So I want you to have that same mindset towards your goals. I don't want you to focus on the goal or the result. I want you to focus just on improving the work. If you just improve the work every single day, consistency is exponential. If you focus on just improving your work and you don't check your results, which is a big thing, because if you continue checking your results, it kills off the positive feedback loop that I talked about in the last video. So rather than focusing on the result, I want you to focus on your work, and that will in turn make you more consistent. And since you're more consistent, you're focusing on your work, which means by every day you're improving. So every single day you're improving and you're always consistent. That's literally an unstoppable force and basically the formula for success. If you just keep going at it, you will reach success. You will reach something much more than success. Like for example, if my goal was 100,000 views, but I didn't stop when I reached that, and I just continued and I just kept on making new videos, making better videos, rather than 100,000, I probably could be at the million. I probably could reach 1 million views, because the sheer amount of volume and the sheer amount of quality just keep going up. So I want you to think about that, and I want you to stop checking your results completely. That's also like checking your weight every day. If you continue checking your weight every day, it kind of kills off the happiness you get at the end of the week when you lost 2 pounds, because you continue getting the dopamine. Eventually, like the small results you get are not worth the dopamine. So I want you to just check the big result, check it maybe once a month, once a quarter, but do not check it before that.